Designers do have a strong imagination and we do envisage a 3D product, but still nothing is as realistic as the actual thing. What Stratasys does is just press a button and get the actual physical model.
Stratasys is the leading company for developing full color and multi-material 3D printing. The whole interaction and dynamic around a 3D object is totally different than around 2D image on the screen. Holding something and having a meeting around it enable product designers and their stakeholders to make much more accurate design decisions earlier in the design process.
Padwa Design is a design studio dealing with a wide range of projects and products, ranging from automotive, medical, consumer goods, furniture, everything that the industry produces and is ethical. Before this technology was developed, you had to wait quite a long time until you really had a physical model in your hand. We are designing an indoor cycling trainer. The design process always starts with hand sketching, even in our digital era. I work with foam and then slowly we move into realizing the 3D ideas on the computer, but it's still a 2D flat screen. Seeing and having a realistic 3D model accelerates the process of getting the final design.
When we are developing a new product or new technology, we are in a constant touch with the market, with the designers, trying to understand how a designer thinks and how we as a company can bring the best solution of the design intent to life.
Usually when you design a 3D product, you don't really start by thinking about colors. Well, what the Stratasys technology enables us to do is start thinking in color.
Currently, designers split their design intent into two different mediums. The color is on the screen as rendering images, and the geometry is in their hand as a single color model. We enable them to merge those two types of information into a single prototype, and that's huge.
Stratasys PolyJet technology basically gives our customers endless possibilities. No need to add or switch between technologies throughout the process. Our customer can take any kind of material or color. If it's a rubber material, if it's a clear material, if it's a texture, they can achieve and mimic the exact design intent they have in mind and bring it to life in their hands instantly. The J850 is designed for designers.
You can actually turn around and see how the surfaces behave when it's glossy, when it's matte, or different types of finishes. And all this makes the whole difference.
The time and cost saving when using a J850 is phenomenal and can reach up to 85%. We're seeing our customers moving from spending tens of thousands of dollars on a single prototype to a fraction of the cost.
PolyJet full-color 3D printing technology enables designers to iterate much more times in a shorter period of time and to make better design decisions that end up with better product and a better business.
I really believe that the relationship between people and products is in a way similar to a relationship between people and people. When they can hold it and move it and actually touch it and learn about it, it is definitely something that you can't do without.